Welcome back to Peelonion. This tutorial covers how to transfer a domain from Squarespace to Namecheap. The process is similar for most registrars, making this guide useful regardless of the provider. Today, the domain peelonion.com will be transferred from Squarespace to Namecheap. Let's begin. Log into a Namecheap account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking the Sign Up button. Once logged in, navigate to the Domains section and select Domain Transfer. Enter the domain name, peelonion.com, and click Transfer. At this stage, the domain appears locked. This security feature prevents unauthorized transfers. Unlocking is required before proceeding. Log into Squarespace, navigate to the Domains section, and locate peelonion.com. Open its settings and disable the Lock Domain option. Return to Namecheap and refresh the page. The domain will now appear as unlocked. To allow Namecheap to retrieve whois data from the previous registrar, check this box. A transfer authorization code is required to domain transfer. In Squarespace, open peelonion.com settings, scroll down, and click Request Transfer Code. After confirmation, the code will be sent to the registered email address. Receiving the code may take some time, depending on the registrar. Once received, enter the code in the authorization code field on Namecheap and click Verify Auth Code. A green checkmark will indicate successful verification. Add the transfer to the cart. Proceed to checkout and complete the payment process. After payment, navigate to the Namecheap dashboard, where peelonion.com will now be listed. The transfer process is not immediate and may take few days. An email from Squarespace may arrive, requiring confirmation of the transfer request. Follow the instructions provided to complete the process. That concludes the domain transfer process. If this tutorial was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel for more step-by-step guides. For any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.